Yo, what is up? Thank you all for tuning in wherever and whenever you're watching this. My name is Tyler Brewer. I'm here with Garrison. Uh-oh, what happened, bro? You got rugged. Yo, what is up? Thank you all for tuning in wherever and whenever you're watching this. My name is Tyler Brewer. I've been trading in the crypto industry since 2019. Guys, we created this channel to bring you information, education, trading, mindset to take you next level. Garrison just popped in. What's up, my guy?
What's good, family? My bad, I just cut out.
Yeah, I saw you
But
got rugged, bro. I saw you got rugged.
what's
But
going on, big family? I'm doing pretty good. Having a pretty good week. How about you, Tyler?
blessed and highly favored, bro. Blessed and highly favored as usual.
That's what we love to
Abundance of
hear.
opportunities always flowing to us, bro.
Yes,
But
sir.
just real quick before you hop in, Garrison, what you guys were just looking at was a little sneak peek of the X NFT. Got to shout out the fam, long live the X. And guys, we are not financial advisors. Trading and investing involves risk. Risk means potential loss. We are here to educate you, bring you information, and take you to the next level, Garrison. You should be good here
All
any
right.
minute,
Give me
and
1 second here.
should be good, bro. Take your time.
Just wanted to pull something up real quick.
You're good. Let me.
So today, guys, I kind of want to show you how how the market kind of moves with the dollar, with the US dollar currency index. So I'm gonna let's go this is a big chart. It's been around for a while, obviously. We all know that. So let's go to the yearly. I'm just gonna delete this chart.
Oh
Um,
man, that's a big move, bro.
yep, it's that time. It's that time. So I'm not even gonna really mark this up too much because I'm not really trying to tell you guys where it's gonna go. I just kind of want to show you guys um how how uh how this moves, and when this moves up, how the rest of the market also kind of does something along with it. Usually goes the opposite way. And also I want to show you guys how during I'll get right into it. Let's look at so like let's see, when was Obama in office?
He said, "I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just gonna show you." Let's go. I already know you're going with this. I'm hyped.
So he was in what? This is not right.
Yo, bro, where did you get that information, my guy?
In He was probably
Yeah, you're right. You probably got in office then. There you go.
so he was first elected 2008 and he won 2012, so he was until 2016, right? 4 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2008, guys, let's see. So let's take this little tool here. Where is it at here? Where's it? Oh, here, measure. So 2008, Obama got in office right here. The Democrats guys seem to move. They seem to like a strong dollar, I guess, because every time you see a Democrat in office, the dollar tends to pump like this. So as you can tell, 2008 here, this is where I'm starting my graph here, or this measurement tool here. 2008 candle, this is the monthly, or the yearly, I mean. So each of these candles is 1 year. Obama was in office for all these years, and the dollar went up, obviously. 2016, Trump got in office. So I'll take this here. Trump got in office right here. What did the dollar do, guys? Till 2020. The dollar went down, not too much, but yes, it did go down. So Biden's in office now, the dollar's gone up. Right here, let's see who got in office, and I think it was a who was the president before Obama, guys? Pretty sure it was a Republican.
Don't ask me, bro. I am not a history major by any means.
Yeah, neither am I. Who was the Democrat? Or well, I can't look that up. Who was the president
Yeah.
before Obama. It was Bush. I know these questions a little bit, guys, but I just want to show you guys here. Here, this is a good one. So 2001 to 2008, I guess, George Bush was the president. And what party is George Bush?
Bro, I'm learning something today. I don't know anything about politics, bro, because usually it's
George
like
Bush is
no.
a Republican. So he was in office 2001 to 2008. A Republican, guys, remember what I said? Republicans tend to like a weaker dollar. 2000, guys, right here. This is when Bush was in office. The dollar goes down. Obama gets in right here. Dollar goes up. Another Republican goes down. Democrat, we're back in. We're back going up. Personally, guys, this is not the best for the market. I'll show you here why. I also want to show you these movements. I'm pretty sure this was probably a Democrat here, along with a Republican as president right here. I'll show you that in a second as well. But it tends to be when there's a strong dollar, the rest of the markets are weak because everybody wants their dollar. Everybody wants cash, guys. They're scared, they're fearful, they want their cash. So nobody's putting it in the stock market and the crypto market or whatever markets there are. Um, so that's why you see the dollar run. So let's go back to this. Do, 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 do. Let's see who was president in 1985. 1981. Let's see. So Ronald Reagan, he was pretty sure he was a Republican. According to the DX, yep, okay. Guys, I don't even really have to go and search this up because I can just come to this chart and know there was a Republican in office. From 1962, he was the president. Whoa. Oh yeah, he was a Republican in 1962, but he was the president, like it says right here, 1981 to 1989. So guys, let's take this measurement tool again. We'll go to 1981. Wait, is that what it was? 1981. So it went up a little bit, but he was a president until 1989. He finished the term with it at the same level. He finished his presidency term at the same level. Maybe a little, technically a little bit lower. So 81 to 89, which is right here. Well, yeah, literally the same level he stopped at. Um, let's go down a little bit. Let's see. So yeah, I mean, I think that shows enough here that the Democrats seem like a weaker dollar, like this here, or vice versa. The Republicans like to see a weaker dollar. Uh, Democrats like to see a stronger dollar. That's why you see here Democrat, who was president after him. So 1989 and 1993. 1993 went up a little bit. After him, he was a Democrat. Oh, he was a Republican. Okay. So it didn't do much here anyway. It's kind of stalled out here. Republican, Democrat, Republican, Democrat. So I want to show you guys how the market was during, or how the rest of the market was during those terms. Let's go to the Canadian dollar. Which one? Let's see. We'll go here. Um, no, we can't do that. Let's go to the what's the Japanese
JPY.
APY, Japan
Yeah.
dollar. So this has been around in 1987. So I'm going to pull up another tab here, a trading view. Let's bring the dollar up. Okay, so 1987. Let's see what happened right here. So 2012, 2011, the Japanese dollar was at its highest. and the dollar was at its lowest. The dollar was at its lowest while the Japanese dollar was at its highest. And what happens after that? The dollar goes up, Japanese dollar goes down. Let's take it to what's another good one? I think gold actually runs with the dollar, right?
Yeah, usually it tends to run with it.
Is this the right chart?
And I think actually
Say you.
like in times like right now, for example, when the money or when the chart's dropping the DXY, a lot of people tend to go to gold or precious metals.
For sure. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's check the euro. Let's check euro. What is that? What's the
I don't know
um
I don't know what they are by themselves, but like compared to Euro, EUR USD is like the Euro USD. It's compared to the US dollar. My bad. You had it right the first time.
why is it not coming up?
You deleted the E.
Oh.
Put the E first, bro.
Oh, I thought you said URE.
Nah, I probably did. No. EUR, like you had it right the first time.
Oh my.
Euro, like EUR. I probably said it wrong. USD. There you
Right
go.
here.
Yeah,
Sorry about that, guys.
you're good, bro. That's my fault.
Um, so check right here. 1984, the euro was like at its almost lowest point. Let's just go to 1971. 1971, the euro, I guess, just started and was at its lowest point. Go to DXY, 1971, right here. The dollar was um right there. Euro goes up, dollar goes down. Dollar goes up in 1980. 1980, euro goes down. Dollar starts going up in, well, dollar goes down in 1985 till 1990. Guys, 1985 to 1990, the euro went up. So let's go to the crypto. Let's go to crypto now. So I can show you guys how the dollar affects the crypto market cap. I got to get rid of all of this too, I think.
Oh
No,
man,
this is fine. This is
doing
fine. This is fine.
it.
You guys can just ignore all this. Let's just break this down to this. No, I gotta do this yearly. 2017, 2019 crypto has a bull run. 2019 to 2021. 2019 to 2021, the dollar drops. Um, Dollar is raising in 22 to 23, which is right now. 22 to 23 dollars been going up. Crypto's been falling. So guys, I explained this. This is like called the milkshake theory. Um, it's not really a theory, I guess, but the dollar sucks everything up and it kind of weans out all the fakes, I guess you would say. I don't know how the best way to explain this is, Tyler, if you could help a little.
Yeah,
But
bro. I mean,
the dollar
yeah,
basically sucks everything up, all the money up in the world in a way, and leaves the rest of the economy pretty weak. While and then what would you say happens from there?
I mean, realistically, bro, it's like a lot of the other economies are drained. Like, for example, like if you look at inflation rates at other countries, like the European countries compared to like the Japanese to, or not the Japanese, the US dollar compared to the euro or GBP, like there's, you can see the money being sucked out of there. So, like you said, it's a theory, right? But realistically,
Yeah.
when you look at the charts, you can see where the money flows.
It's just a good way to explain it. It's like a milkshake theory. You drink a milkshake, you suck it up. But so yeah, the dollar kind of sucks things up and everything else is going down besides like metals, I guess.
Yeah, metals are one thing that I mean,
We could also show them like hurricane season and oil.
yeah, bro. I mean, it's crazy how like different like economic or like actual like world events like affect things. Like even if you like terrorist attacks and then like look at the dollar, or like there's so many correlations. Like that's like more like a black swan event where, for example, the COVID that just happened. Let me see if I got the right screen share here. Hopefully I do.
But yeah, guys, it's pretty weird. If you kind of know it, the world and like the emotions in the world and um Mother Nature really kind of do affect the charts, especially when it comes to oil, because you can't move oil down south when there's hurricanes.
Facts, bro. I got a bunch of shit. Do you see all these fucking tabs, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready for this? All right, cool. Because I already went through this earlier. Not just I like while we on the call, but earlier today.
Yeah, for sure.
Um, but I seen Nexo settles with SEC. They're gonna pay 45 million and kill crypto lending product.
Huh.
So they were a crypto lender and they're setting regulations over its earned interest product. So I don't know if you're familiar with this, Garrison, but yeah, they got to settle with the SEC. They're pretty much paying the feds $45 million and getting rid of what was making people money. I can't say it was great because you can read into this, but there's a lot of things that are just not good, and there's a lot of, I guess, bearish sentiment happening in the markets. Other than you could see Trump's NFTs surging by 800%. I just thought that was funny. I'm not really gonna go deep into that. This was hilarious. I literally just saw the video of this. This fucking idiot. I don't know
I
who he is.
saw that too, bro. I was just like, I was just
Bro,
laughing. He just wants the market to drop.
like, how do you know it's gonna stop at 21 million? And honestly, what I really think this is because look, CNBC is right in the background. I mean, he's on mainstream media. He's got influence. He's fucking Mr. JP Morgan, the CEO of JP Morgan, and he's over here talking about crypto. And if anybody in the crypto market knows what they're talking about, you can literally see this question right here. Automatically you can tell he knows nothing. And he's like, well, what happens when it's 21 and good old Satoshi just pops up and says, gotcha. Like, brother, it's in the code.
Right,
Like, I don't know if you do coding, which I assume you don't, considering you're the CEO of the company and you probably don't know anything about code, which I don't either. So I'm not, giving him a hard time. But
right.
he's talking about some shit he doesn't know, just doesn't really know. So, maybe he says maybe he's gonna get 21 million, and so yeah, look, and Satoshi's picks, and he's gonna laugh at you all. Like, bro, anybody that knows a little bit about crypto, like they were laughing at this dude. Like he sounded like an idiot, and even the guy that was interviewing him,
I know it. That was funny too.
it looked like they were in the cold or something, bro. Like they looked like they had some like breath coming out, bro. It's look, ah, that's funny. He says, bro, it's like 5 lines of code. It literally says it in there. There it is.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, bro. But yeah, so I mean, honestly, I think that's like some fear mongering. I think that's the word I'm looking for. But the dude just kind of, I think, trying to put some fear in the market, like like
Yeah.
uncertainty. Like, well, how do you know for sure? Because then you just had the FTX stuff happen. You have Genesis filing for bankruptcy, which is probably in here somewhere. I know I pulled it up,
Oh,
but
I see it. I see it over there.
yeah, but and that yeah, so a bunch of shit happening. Obviously I'll get into more of that, but I don't know if you've seen this. I saw Mike over this. JPEG Poppy went over this a little bit. The creator royalties must be respected, says Board Ape creator as some sewer pass NFTs trades blocked. I thought I heard something about, and I don't know, I didn't think I heard it exactly. You could add, there was some NFTs where or gave you the option of how much to give them, like royalty wise. So it was like a choice. So I don't know. Again, don't call me on this, bro, because it was something I didn't hear fully. I just heard part of the conversation. But I know for a fact it had something to do with along those lines. Um,
So they were like, they kind of did something sketchy.
well, it was just the trades were being blocked because the royalties. So I don't remember who I heard talking about or where I read it, but there was something about the royalties, like you were able to change it. You know, like when you buy, like it was a choice, it was an option to give royalties.
Okay.
So it says, I think it has to do something along that because you know, creator royalties.
Yeah, for sure. It
I
makes
pulled it
sense.
up, and again, I didn't, you know, I don't have the exact details on it. I just pulled it up because it was some that I did hear and I did or read. I don't remember where it was or who it was from, but it is for sure that that happened. I don't know how correlated those two events are, but you know, the other thing is for sure.
This is
This
weird.
Robinhood, honestly, I didn't ever really like Robinhood to begin with because they just gave you ownership over crypto. If you bought crypto on their platform, it was like, yo, you own crypto, but you can't send it anywhere. It's like, well, what do you mean I own crypto then? Like, so honestly, it was like almost like fake pretty much. Like you were just giving them money and they were like, you own this much Bitcoin, but you cannot withdraw the Bitcoin. You can only withdraw US dollar. And it's like, so where how do I own it then? So to me, it was almost like an FTX situation with the BlockFi, where BlockFi was originally just like a portfolio app, and you could like mirror your portfolio, and we used it instead of like keeping like your actual funds on the phone. But honestly, I mean, this could have been another thing that Robinhood used for funds to build shit like this. To be honest with you, and that's just my opinion. I mean, I don't know how true that is. Just kind of my thoughts while I'm reading this and thinking about everything. But yeah, you can see they're, you know, apparently going to be a competitor. I don't know how true that is because I mean, you know, there's so many competitors. I don't know what makes Robinhoods go up there other than the fact that maybe they have a name. And it's funny because Sam owns this, right?
Sam Bankman-Fried.
Yeah, doesn't or doesn't? Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, bro. So that even makes it funnier.
That's
Let's see.
crazy.
Yeah, bro. I'm almost positive it's him, bro. Or it's like he owns some of it for sure. Because he was gonna start. He owns stock.
Does Sam die in Game of Thrones?
There you go. 7.6%. So he's got a 7.6 stake worth just shy of a billy. So I mean, I'd assume, you know, he might be getting a little,
Scam Bankman fraud.
yeah, scam Bingman fraud. But yeah, that's funny, bro, how that lines up, huh?
Yeah,
Good
that's
old,
crazy.
good old Robin Hood. I wonder where the money came from to do this and get this Robin Hood app, you know, like fucking a little
It's
better.
probably FTX money too.
Yeah, bro, I'm sure of it. I'm like literally sure of it. Speaking of
That's so
FTX,
crazy, bro.
speaking of FTX, bro. So, and this kind of goes back to even just the market, bro, the chart. If we look at the chart, there's a lot of things we can see here. And if we even bring it back to this too. So this is for an example, you know, we just seen that news article, mainstream media, where Buddy's talking about creating fear on the market, right? You got him creating fear, and then you have him over here talking about FTX FTT token pumps 32% and it could be revived. Bro, this is giving other people hope, right? So you're giving fear to people who have no education, right? You're on mass media scale, and then you have this where they're trying to give false hope because I mean, I can't really say that because I'll go into that in a second, but they're giving this hope, right? That fucking FTX is gonna go come back, so you're bringing in back those traders or people who have money locked up or that lost in FTX. Um, you know that's a whole other story, but you know, I mean, I don't have any hope in it being revived. The only way it's going to be revived is because scam Bigman fraud's given the Gluck 9,000 and he's so deep with the feds, bro, that you know they're just like, we'll fucking do it for you, you know,
Another
like,
fluff article, huh?
yeah. So pretty much, yeah, I mean that's really what it is. And shout out to Kate Irwin. Hopefully that's not Steve Irwin's daughter. But but yeah, I mean that there's that. This I'm excited about. The only not cool thing is apparently you're not gonna be able to hold Bitcoin on it because it wants to be completely DeFi. But what's crazy to me is isn't Bitcoin like mostly the only DeFi thing? You know, like completely 100% decentralized.
Yeah, I
Isn't that
guess.
odd to
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Right? Like if you can't, you're not gonna freeze it, bro. Like you're not gonna freeze Bitcoin. So like that's a little odd to me, bro. But it is what it is.
How much is it? Does it say?
I don't know. I don't think it's something they're working on. So it says their hardware. I don't know if they said to put a price in here or not. Their 1 inch network expanding. Um, it's a DEX. Let's see, similar a whole lot. Some set of coins, chains.
I'll stick to my ledger.
Yeah, look, the wallet doesn't currently support Bitcoin. I'm sure it will eventually. But it literally says, in fact, we call it the first DeFi hard wallet. That's why we believe Bitcoin is outside the scope. Gang, bro. Mine's over here somewhere. But it's Bitcoin is outside the scope. However, wrapped Bitcoin can be supported. So I think it's just like Ethereum network mostly. I think eventually they'll adapt to it. I think they're just trying to figure this shit out.
For
This
sure.
kind of reminds me of Ledger's stack, which
Yeah, it does.
honestly I believe this could be something partially
If it was cheaper than ledgers, I may buy it.
what the fuck? That is not Ledger stack, my guy.
That's funny.
Oh, stacks, my bad. But honestly, this is something I think this specifically, I think is something that you would have in your pocket, bro. Like imagine replacing your actual wallet with this. This is what I think you like where you
For
could like
real,
literally
yeah.
hold it, bro, tap your wallet, pay with Bitcoin. Boom. Ding. Like how you do with your phone. That's what I
For
think
real.
that's what I think we're going to with this. That's just my opinion, but
I didn't
I
think
mean this
that.
this is rolling out. I want to say it's like $400 or $500. I know they dropped the price slightly, but yeah, I
Yeah,
mean,
I'm not
I
getting it
think
yet.
this is gonna be like the new thing this is gonna be like the start to like the wallet you carry on in your pocket, bro.
And you
Like I
can
don't
like show a picture of your NFT on it too. Like,
yeah, so I mean I think that one's gonna be pretty dope, but again, I think that's the picture looks very comparable to that. This looks like a little more like Curve before they updated their website. Um but yeah, OKC, I think this is an exchange proof of reserve says I got 7.2 billion in assets, none of which include its native token.
see, they're
Uh,
not scared to show proof of reserves.
they pub oh, I thought that was Luna for a second, the stable coin. I was like, wait a second, what? Oh man, long day. But yeah,
Hey, at
so I
least
thought
they showed.
yeah, I thought it was cool. I haven't seen anybody post their proof of reserves. I mean, it took them a little while since the whole movement, but again, scam Bankman fraud, another name in the news, right? SBF. Our boys out here talking that the bankruptcy team is wrong about FTX US insolvency. Well,
What?
I don't know, bro. I don't I don't like any of this because look back to let's look at who bailed him out. Well, wait, you can't because they blocked it. Oh wait, where did all the money come from? Were they remember they I don't know if you
His
remember.
parents bailed him out,
I don't know if you remember, bro.
and he moved money right away.
Well, that so what was I about to say? The insist bankruptcy team was
How about
wrong.
how he got bailed out or something?
Oh yeah. Well, how you can't see it, right? Well, didn't they just find $5 billion all of a sudden?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they did.
Sure, it'll come up.
Yep.
Yep, there it is. So this is weird. January 11th, you can see FTX has been identified more than 9 million customer accounts linked to roughly 120 billion. They got a little chunk.
They
But
lost 120 billion.
yeah, bro, 120 billion associated
Oh
to
my
roughly.
God, bro. It was like
They
six.
found 5 billion. But
They
the thing
thought
with
they thought like they were at 6 to 8 billion lost, I thought. And then they
But
were like,
yeah,
yeah,
no, they lost a bunch, bro. But the thing is I don't think it clearly states where it actually came from, this 5 billion. But same thing with him. So they're claim right. So all of a sudden he's getting money. All of a sudden they're finding this money. But who bailed him out? Oh, you don't know. Where'd this money come from? Oh, you don't know. Because it's US dollars and you can't see the fucking blockchain.
right.
That's my opinion. But that's my tinfoil hat having on. But I mean, you read through here, you connect the dots. I mean, see who pops up dead, who doesn't. I mean, all the money. Our boy Genesis or girl,
You
them, they, I
called
don't
it.
know if they have a, yeah. I mean, this was just pretty much waiting to happen, really. They're out the game. Bye
They
bye.
get like it says a lot of there was a lot of FTX too in it.
Yeah, yeah. They had a lot of shit, bro. I mean, I want to say they had quite a bit. Chapter. Let's see, what was it? 175 million worth of crypto locked up in FTX. So thanks to
Oh,
FTX, Genesis is, and then you see more. I mean, this
damn.
is just part of this. I mean, this is just now happening, January 18th. And this is why I still think, you know, you have this move up, but this is kind of that bull trap where you have that mainstream media, bro. And I wouldn't be surprised if you see it wick up to this level, because that's actually the 50. That's actually, look, boom. I wouldn't be surprised if it's off this initial move, bro. And everybody's going based off of this one. At first, everybody was going off of this one, then this one. Now this, I think it's gonna wick up here, in my opinion, wick up here and drop down, because you have the news talking about, oh, how do you know for it? They got the uncertainty, and then you have people like hyping people up talking about, oh, FTX might come back. So there's so much things happening in the news, like even this just happened, and FTX was months ago. I mean,
Yeah,
it
this is
feels
the
like a
second
month ago.
domino, guys.
Yeah.
This
So
is like only the second domino.
there's more to come from it, bro. I mean, there's definitely more to come. Um, this is pretty cool. National Australia Bank to launch a stablecoin on Ethereum, Algorand report. So, pay attention to your boy, not financial advice, but yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool. I don't know why there's like, actually I do know why, but like it's like, why is everybody so set on making their own? Well, because then they can code it and get a chunk of it.
Exactly.
That's why, I mean, why do you think everybody wants their own stablecoin, bro? Like, I mean, like Die, for example, Maker, like they make money. They don't just have a stablecoin; they make money, and they utilize the stablecoin in their ecosystem, and that's partially how they make money. So, same thing. I mean, everybody wants. It's like a bank, bro. I used to think banks were just like, oh yeah, I'll hold your money for you, bro. I'll dap it up. I got you. No, bro. Banks here to fucking make some bread off of your money sitting in there.
Yeah,
So
you can't go out and draw 20K from like any bank, I bet.
no,
Right
no,
then and there. You
dude, no.
can, but it takes a couple days.
Bro, I remember a couple of years back, I tried to get 10K from the bank, right? I called them, they're like, oh, or I went there and they're like, oh no, you have to like pre-order them. I'm like, okay, cool, I'm pre-ordered it. Okay, cool, 5 business days. Wait, 5 business days? I go there, they're like, what are you talking about? You pre-ordered it. I'm like, that's what the lady told me I had to do. She's like, well, I can give you like maybe like 1,400. I'm like, so you're telling me I have to go to like every bank and see
1,400?
how much they can give me? So I ended up going to like 5 or 6 banks, and imagine, bro, like you can't even access your own money at any given point, bro. You got your ledger in a box right there. You can go ahead and grab it, and you can send however much you want to me, anybody you want in the world who has a fucking crypto address in seconds.
That's
And and
fuck.
and and I can't even drive 15 minutes out of the way to the bank, right?
Dude,
And
they
go to the
said
bank and get whatever amount. I can't just go grab it. So fuck
she's
them.
like, we got about 1,500 in there, but we need a little bit to play with. I'll give you
And
14.
bro, it just pisses me off. So JP Morgan don't want to give you your money, but they want to talk shit about crypto and they don't know shit about fucking crypto. Boy, you need to keep your mouth closed. Um, for
This
real, bro.
this
This
I'm
this
just
news got me
dumbfounded.
heated, bro. I didn't
I'm
know
just
these news articles,
dumbfounded too.
right? I didn't know these news articles was gonna get me going in, bro, but fuck. Anyway, Apple mixed reality. This is another big hit coming up. January 9th. This is January 6th. Oh, you're gonna see it's like going to the moon, right? When there was
Damn.
the fucking moon race. Well, now you're gonna have the
The
VR race.
metaverse race.
VR,
Or
XR.
yeah.
And they have like a prototype down here. I don't think this is actually gonna be it. I actually hope it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there's 2 articles actually. But I don't think this one has it. Anyway, it looked like a snowboard goggles. I don't think that was actually how it was gonna be, but it was like a fake prototype, I think. Anyway, pretty cool. Nothing really to go in deep on that. If you like VR, go into it. If you like the XNFT and
Now
you want
that
to go into
looks
VR,
sick.
yeah, I like how this one looks. And this one actually says they are going to make room for your boys' glasses.
Oh shit. How
Yeah.
much is this one? Does it say?
Yeah. So
Oh,
that
I saw the
actually,
price. I already saw the price.
did you? So
Yeah.
yeah, this one's like 3K, I want to say, or more.
Oh, I
Oh
saw a
no, no, no.
thousand right there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
The other one, the Apple one,
it's
it said
3K.
anywhere from 2K to 3K.
Sheesh, bro, come on.
You know what's crazy, bro? Is like with the economy right now, nobody's going to the fucking metaverse at this point with these prices.
Right?
I mean, nobody's showing up. All right, this is pretty funny. This is like I think from like a meme. I don't know if it was from South Park, but it looks like some South Park shit. This week on crypto Twitter, did SBF move money? I don't know what man UTD means. I just thought it was funny because
Manchester United, I think.
uh
Ah, no, because they would have the period and stuff. Like the, yeah, no,
dude,
I'm
yeah,
in.
yeah, Manchester
Oh,
United gets
let's
accused
go.
of NFT art plagiarism. This dude gets arrested and busted for something. Markets were frozen, mostly frozen this week for whatever. So yeah, I mean, there's bro, whoever fucking scam Bankman frauds, um, like PR guy is, dude, that guy's got to be like having the worst part. Like, I would have quit. I would have been like, bro, how am I supposed to cover for you when you're
Right.
telling everybody, I don't know where it went, and like the blockchain shows where it went. So, yeah, hardware wallet setup. So this is pretty cool. I mean, still, I'm pretty dude. There's a lot of tech coming out. I don't know if you've noticed that. A lot of new tech. Hardware wallet startup, Cypher Rock. I don't know. I think I'm saying that right. Raises 1 million to skip seed phrases. They want to skip the seed phrases. They go into it a little bit here. I did read it, but they want to kind of skip the whole seed phrase and I think have like a card, almost like a debit card, like a chip, like boom, ding, okay, verified. And there's cards that come with it, something along the lines like that. Again, I don't know exactly how, but I did kind of skim over
As
it.
long as I get my recovery phrase.
No, there isn't one.
Oh, I'm not buying that.
Yeah, no, there's no. Yeah, that's what they're trying to avoid. So like
Oh, and
we're
you said seed phrase. I thought you meant like the wallet address.
no, just this like the secret recovery,
Okay,
like the
yeah.
secret. Yeah. No, so like they're talking about like if it's lost, blah blah blah. Well, then they want to go into and like get some fucking little like
Yeah, right,
thing.
bro.
Yeah.
Don't catch me buying that wallet.
Right. This kind of dope. This is kind of
Gosh,
crazy.
dude.
So talk about degens, right? Dude scoops up 69.
Oh,
Like
what?
that's some that's so funny, bro. That's like so crypto.
That's
So
funny.
so degen of the this guy to do. But we have 1 more minute, so I don't want to go too big on this, but you can check it out on Magic Eden. He went through, bought bulk at 69 of them. I want to say for yeah, there you go, 900
I
million
wish
or
you would do that for the
900,000,
quirkies, bro.
right, bro? Shit would have went crazy. But yeah, 69 of them, and those are pretty hefty.
You have that much money, dude. You can sweep any floor and make money.
So yep, that's pretty much all I got. Other than that, we appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Tune in, hit the bell, hit the like, hit the subscribe, drop a comment. Let us know what you want to see. The links are below, and we appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.
Peace out, fam. That was not a heart.